Hey guys, and welcome back to Maddie Buck's channel. I've realized that I haven't did a video this year. I've been extremely busy working on t-shirts and stuff, and I just finally got done with an order actually and thought that maybe I'll hop on YouTube and see what's going on. And man, has this channel grown. I cannot thank you all enough for your support that you all have given me. 540 subscribers. Me? Who would have thought? That is so awesome, and that gives me the courage to keep going on. And what has changed for me in 2021 is the fact that my t-shirt business is really thriving off of, I don't know if it's the coronavirus, the stimulus check, or what it is, but it could just keep on coming. And if you want to know how I've upscaled my business from just basically a hobby, it was what I was doing last year. I had a couple sales here and there. But this year I've been having consistent sales, and I will do a video. All you do is like this video to show me that you want that video, and I will do that video for you guys. But I was scrolling YouTube, and I was looking at some of the comments that I haven't really responded back, because usually I would respond back to every comment I ever got. And I came across this comment on my polyacrylic poly-t spray that you can make, and I realized that in that wash test that it might not have been clear, and you might not have been able to see a good comparison of the shirts. So that's what I'm going to do for you guys today. I'm going to give you a good comparison of the shirts using the poly-t spray. So I'm going to show you what the cotton looks like, and I have washed it, and it's got I'll show you here in a minute. Sorry, I'm getting all ahead of myself again. I really do that a lot. But I've also got 50-50 on how it looks, and I did use the poly-t spray with it because I feel like with the 50-50 you have to use poly-t spray because you'll only have 50% of your ink. And I also have the shirts that I basically use for the bleaching and everything is a 65% Gildan Soft Style polyester. It has 65% polyester. It's Golden Soft Style. It's the kind that I use because I like to do a lot of bleaching. My business is around bleaching. That's just something that I fell in love with doing because I feel like bleach is an art in itself, and I'll have a bunch more of those videos coming up this year too. So let's get down to it. Let's look at these shirts and see how they look with this poly-t spray. And the first shirt that I'm going to have is going to be my cotton shirt that I have put the poly-t spray on, and I have washed it. And this is what it looks like. So I feel like, you know, it's not faded or anything like that. I'll stand up and show you guys the image a little bit better. But yeah, this image is not faded at all. It is 100% cotton. It is actually, let me take it back. It might not be 100% cotton. It's actually 99% cotton. It's 1% polyester because it is the Bella Canvas Print Prism Mint. And I actually got this on an accident. I was actually going for the Heather Bella Mint, but I ended up using this, and I put the poly-t spray on it, and then I washed it because you're supposed to wash it after it sets. Well, I let this one set for a couple days. Usually I only let them set for 24 hours and then wash them, and the same results came out. This one sat for a couple of days, and then I washed it, and then this is what it looks like. So, what I say about, the reason why I'm showing these not bleached is because if you bleach cotton and you don't do it right and you let it set, way too long, it will get holes in it, which I did not know when I first started bleaching shirts. I thought I could just bleach any shirt. No. Cotton will get holes in it within 3 washes. So, please be aware of that if you are bleaching cotton shirts, that they will not last. And if you're going to send them to customers, you might want to tell them that it's not going to last more than 3 washes. And another thing that I've learned, and it's going to be my next shirt coming up, is the 50-50. It kind of depends on what color you get, but most of the time, they're not going to bleach. So let me tell you a funny story. When I first bleached my first 50-50, I just kept spraying bleach on it, thinking it was going to turn white, and what it ended up doing was that it ended up turning darker than what it was supposed to be. And so I totally ruined those shirts. So if you're like me and it's not turning white, it's getting darker, you've put too much bleach on it, and it's just not going to turn white. Just toss it or use it as a bed shirt, give it to your kids to play in, you know. So those will be mindful if you're trying to find the shirt to bleach. 50-50 might not be the best way to go. But here's my 50-50 with the poly-t spray, and it has also been washed, and this is how vibrant it came out. Kind of show this a little bit closer so I can kind of see it. Oh, some of my mama shirts. I love my mama shirts. But yep, that's how that looks. The vibrancy after being washed. And like I said, the reason why I put the poly-t spray on my 50-50 is because if I don't, then the ink will only be 50% on this shirt. It will look faded, it will look vintage. If you want it to look vintage, then that's the way to go. Just don't use the poly-t spray and just put it on there and it will fade like it's vintage. Alright, my next shirt is my all-time favorite shirts because they're so soft. I love them over top of the Bellas. Is my Gildan Soft Style. They are 65% cotton, or 65% polyester and 35% cotton, I think. Yes, 65-35. And these I do not put poly-t spray on, and this will look like it's inked into the shirt because it is a darker shirt. But usually I'll just slap bleach on it and it will pull that color out. But as I'm doing comparisons with not the bleach on them, so I used one without bleach. These are the softest shirts you can get. This will not fade. This will stay the whole lifetime of the shirt. And that's kind of what they look like. So if you're not going the bleaching route and you're going just to put the sublimation print on there, I would definitely do light color shirts, especially for the 65%, or especially for like the 65% polyester, and you're not going to use poly-t. You have to use lighter colors because your ink's not going to come through. But as you can see, they all three look pretty vibrant with the poly-t spray and without. Those two being washed, they look very vibrant. They look like they're just ready to go to a new home. They will stay that way. I haven't had any problems with any of them fading, and I've been using that poly-t spray since last November. And I'm probably going to get a lot of crap on here because people are trying to say that it's not safe. Well, the thing about it is you wash the poly-t 24 hours after you put it on, and just like bleaching, bleaching is a chemical. You need to specify with your customers, because that's what I do, that there's going to be this on their shirt. Just for allergies or for anything like that. That is my opinion on that. I feel like it's safe. I wear these shirts. I've had my kids wear these shirts. They're not, I mean, they've been washed. They smell good. It's just like using any chemical like bleach. But yeah, I like it. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I have so much more stuff to show you guys on how how my t-shirt business is going. I might even start doing a couple of those, what do people do? They do like a blog, like a video blog of the packaging, the shirts and stuff like that. That might be fun to do. And I've also got some more information that you guys might want to stay tuned to. So please subscribe and like. And I will see you guys next video.